Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you remove previous ownership of your AirPods Pro if you have got them from your friends or somebody else. So guys, if you want to remove previous ownership of your AirPods, you will have to simply reset your AirPods to factory settings. So guys, how can you reset your AirPods? This is very simple. So as you will have to simply close the box of your AirPods and then open it again, and when you see here appears John's AirPods, because I have got them from my friend John's and it's still of his name. So guys, if you want to remove this ownership, simply close the box and then open it again, and here you see a button on back side of your AirPods. You will have to simply press this button for 30 seconds, and after this your AirPods will be reset to factory settings and the ownership will also be removed from your AirPods. So guys, this is very simple. Just press this button for 30 seconds, and when you see here a light will start blinking here, and when it turns to yellow your AirPods will be reset to factory settings and the previous ownership will also be removed from your AirPods. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.